Come on, let me see you crawl. Caden, Caden, go, go. Look. Go get the Dairy Milk chocolates. Get the Dairy Milk chocolates. Yeah! Let's bring them over here. Hi. Ready? Come get some more. No? You don't want the chocolates? Hi! Caden, Caden. What, you want Ruby Sun? Oh, you got the Dairy Milks. Where you going? Crawling over the Dairy Milks to the other ones. Yes, we have to motivate Caden to crawl with candy. Caden, did you get the candy? There he goes in Daddy's candy stash. Yeah.